once again.
Again, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's, and come to look at Ford Focus today. Someone's tried to get the lock and wheel nut off. He's had it at a welder's. Someone's tried drilling it out, all that sort of stuff, so we're going to see if we can get it off. Just grabbing some of our kits out and we'll see what we can do. Got some of our tools there ready, and I've got a nut gun as well, and just a few different sockets, laser kits and dynamic. So there is the nut in question. You can see there someone's tried welding, they've burnt the wheel. Someone's tried, let me just get a little torch on there. Someone's tried drilling it. There's not much left there to work on, but we'll see what we can do. So here we've got a socket, that we've used before on similar Fords. It's basically a 27mm socket, which would be like that, and we've just grounded it down all the way around to make it nice and slim. They do crack, obviously, when you slim them down a bit, trim them down, so let's see if we can get it out with one of these. Here we've got a standard 27, this one that we filed down slightly, and this one is filed down even more, so I think we'll try this one in the middle first. Just going to put that in there and hammer it in on this impact. Once you give that enough hammering, a bit harder than that obviously, we're going to use our nut gun. Get this in here. Have we got it? Yes, we have. There you go. Oh, there's even a piece of drill bit in there. That's a nice simple way. He said people trying for days on this wheel nut, welded, they've drilled it, all sorts of things. It would have been even easier if they just let it be as one piece. But there you go, 27mm nut, file down, just to make it fit. Standard 27, as you'll see there, it won't fit in, just because the wall is too thick. Now we'll put this socket on a vise, put one of our chisels there through it, and we'll just hammer that old socket out. There you go, we've hammered it through, pushed the old socket back out, or the old wheel bolt, sorry, and there you have it. She was not looking in good shape, and that's why you should never really drill. You can see the damage that someone's done there on the stud. That's going to need replacing. Just over here we've got the normal nut. No one's touched this one yet, so we'll just show you how easy that is to get out using our socket like that. Put that in there, just going to hammer it in. So it's nice and snug. Get our nut gun on there. Oh, put it in reverse, of course. There you have it. Easy as that. People say these are the most difficult wheel nut they've seen, but one of the easiest if you know how to do it. And number 3, same thing. There she goes. We are all done. She has done her job today. See you at the next video.